All right, guys, we got something special on this one. It's a 2005 Ford Mustang 4.0 liter. He says he looked all over the internet for videos of exhaust. He couldn't find any. So here's the first video of a 4.0 with exhaust. Ford Mustang V6. Anyways, what we did on it, factory converters there and there. He had a bolt-on system, but it kept coming off right there. So it's a straight pipe system made by pipes. There's the X pipe right there. But they were too short over here for some reason. So we cut it out. Or took the clamps off and put two sleeves because he kept having the clamps coming off. So it clamps on from right there. Then usually clamps here and then the mid, So we put two sleeves there. Then we tacked the clamps in the back also just to be on the safe side. And tack the clamps back here over the rear axle. But he has a bunch of different style tips that he puts on it. We didn't do anything with those. And adjusted the system and put him a different kind of hanger on it just to clean it out. Because he brought these because he kept having problems with it. But they didn't fit, so we reused the pipe system. There it is. That's what it looks like. So it's straight piped. Basically from the cat back with an X pipe. A pipe's X pipe. Okay, there'll be a link in the description for the system if we can get it for you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We got only about 20% of the viewers that actually subscribe. So every little bit helps. If you guys can, please hit that subscribe button. Sounds better now. It's actually flowing all the way out instead of in the front. That sounds really nice. 4.0 again. Your sound decibels again. Yeah, right at 112. And it looks good too. Look at those tips. They stick out perfect. Go ahead and back it out. Mustang 4.0 straight pipes by Company Pipes. Oh, nice one. It's got a custom rear bumper, custom front bumper. Got a nice stance to it. Because these factory come with single exhaust, not dual. So to make it dual, you gotta run a different bumper. Tell us what you guys think. It looks better with duals or single? I think duals looks a lot better. What you guys hear on the inside? And the good thing about this, why it sounds so good, no rev limiter, it's standard. 5-speed standard. All right, guys. He's about to drive out. Hopefully he puts on a show. I like the wheels. They're aftermarket wheels too. Beast mode in a Mustang. Not bad at all. Look at that, guys. That sounds good too.